We are going to discuss broadcast television network. It is also called as a terrestrial network, where a group of radio stations, television stations, or electronic media that form an agreement to air or broadcast the content from the centralized source. That is nothing but broadcast television network. Some kind of TV networks that provide the programming of local terrestrial television using signals that can be picked up by the home television set by the local viewers. So the block diagram of this broadcast television network consists of PSTN, internet, cable head end, cable distribution network, and STP. So broadcast television network is nothing but a normal cable access television, which is connected to the PSTN and also internet for internet connectivity, and it will be given to the cable distribution network. Based upon the codec or code word, the particular channel will be displayed using the STB. So BTN, broadcast television network, it is designed to support the diffusing of analog television and radio programs throughout the wide geographical areas. The cable distribution networks, such as broadcast medium, normally in large town or a city. The satellite network, or otherwise terrestrial broadcast network, it's a broadcast medium for large areas where digital television transmissions or the services have become available. Low bitrate written channel for interaction purpose is used with the digital television services, provide the range of additional services like games, home shopping network, and etc. It is nothing but a cable distribution system which consists of set-top box attached to the cable distribution networks, which provides control the television channel that are received from the network and access to the other services like cable modem that can be integrated with the STB, provides the low bitrate channel and high bitrate channel for the subscriber for cable. Low bitrate channels are used to connect to the subscriber to a PSTN, and high bitrate channel is connected to the internet to connect the subscriber. And cable distribution network provides the basic broadcast radio and television services, access to the range of multimedia communication services are available both PSTN and internet. Satellite and terrestrial broadcast is integrated into the STB, provides subscriber with interaction channel, enhancing the range of services in the origin of interactive television. So in this satellite television system, the programs are shooted in the video, and it can be transmitted from the earth station to the satellite. Then all the channels are received, all the mediums are received in the satellite, that can be again downlinked to the ground earth station, where your original information, channel information, as well as the advertisement informations, everything will be combined and it will be given to the local exchange, that is STB. From the local exchange, then it will be given to the home network through PSTN and internet. So satellite terrestrial broadcast distribution system, and this is a service which delivers the television programming to viewers by relaying from the communication satellite orbit to the viewer's location. The signals are received via the parabolic antenna referred as the satellite dish, where we have a low noise amplifier or block down converter. A satellite receiver then decodes the desired television program for viewing on television set. The receivers can be external set-top box or built into the television tuner. A satellite television provides wide range of channels and services. Usually, one television is available in many remote geographic area without terrestrial television or cable television. In modern signal are relayed from the communication channel required for only small dish less than a meter. Earlier we are used analog signals, but nowadays we are using digital signals, which allows the transmission of the modern television standard with the high definition TVs. Different receivers are required for the two types. One is free to air and free to view. Free to air is nothing but this is the free to air, and this is nothing but free to view for the other channel transmitted in the encryption. And the technology which is used for this broadcasting communication network. Next one is ISDN, that is nothing but integrated service and digital networks. Originally it is deployed in 1980s and designed to provide PSTN user with the capability of having additional services. It is achieved by converting the access circuit that connect user equipment to the network into an all digital form. This will providing two separate communication channels over the circuits and allow user either to have two different telephone calls in progress simultaneously or two different calls such as telephone call and data call. Access circuits with ISDN is known as DSL, digital subscriber line. The subscriber telephone can either a digital phone or conventional in analog one. Case of digital phone, the electronics that are needed to convert analog voice and call setup signals into the digital form are integrated into the phone handset. In case of analog phone, the electronics are needed to convert the analog voice and call setup signals into the digital form and located in the network termination equipment, making the digital mode of operation of the network transparent to the subscriber phone. And this is nothing but the DSL, digital subscriber link. Okay, it is like one modem where router is there, outlet analog signal will be, that will be the output will be connected to the telephone as well as the computer for internet connections. So here ISDN also same thing, where ISDN bridge is connected to the telephone, hub is connected to the LAN PC, and it will be connected to the network. So digitization of the telephone quality, analog speech signal produces constant bit rate binary stream, normally known as a bit stream of 64 kbps. Basic rate access for the DSL of ISDN support 264 kbps channels, which can be used either independently or combining of 128 kbps. The two channels are intended for two different call require for the two separate circuit set up through the switching network independently. To synchronize these two separate 64 kbps into single 128 kbps, we require an additional box of electronics to perform this aggregation function is called as ISDN device or DSL device. Primary rate access, which gives single higher bitrate channel with 2 megabits is used. So more flexible way of obtaining the switched 128 services induced by many network operators service provided with the single switched channels. ISDN can support a range of multimedia applications, relatively high cost of digitizing access circuits. Next one is